Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the fault. Plug in an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner and confirm lien codes for Bank 1 and Bank 2. Once done, watch live fuel trims and short-term versus long-term values to see how the ECU is reacting. Inspect intake plumbing and vacuum lines immediately for cracks or loose clamps. A vacuum leak often spikes short-term trims. You also pull out the MAF sensor and visually check for contamination. Cleaning or swapping it is one of your first corrective moves. Now you move into deeper diagnosis. Clean the MAF properly and confirm its output with live data. Low airflow readings can mimic a lean condition. Perform a smoke or carb cleaner spray test around the intake and manifold while watching fuel trims. If trims drop, you found your leak. Simultaneously, measure fuel pressure at the rail under load to ensure pump and regulator are within spec. Low fuel pressure will drive positive trims. Replace or repair any failing component and recheck numbers. Complete repairs by replacing faulty gaskets, hoses, MAF, or O2 sensors and tighten all intake clamps. Once repaired, clear codes and perform a proper drive cycle while monitoring trims. Your goal is long-term trims near zero and short-term trims within roughly plus or minus 5%. If the condition persists, inspect for exhaust leaks, evap faults, or software/PCM updates that affect fuel control. A key troubleshooting tip: if trims swing wildly after repairs, recheck grounds and wiring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.